Yo, what's up YouTube, Memories and Kicks? I'm gonna do something a little bit different this time around for these Yeezy V3s that just came out over the Christmas holidays. So I'm gonna do, I guess we'll call it a reverse unboxing. What I mean by that is these I've already posted before. These are from PK. This is their version. What I have in front of you in this probably familiar box from a lot of you guys is this is the actual box from Adidas itself. This is a retail version. I still have yet unopened it. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the other side because it has all my address and all that shit on it. So I'm just going to show this back side. So let's take a look. Now, mind you, I haven't had a chance to look at a retail version of these V3s yet in hand, so we are actually going to learn these and learn about the shoe together. And bam. Alright, so let me focus up on this camera. Alright, so as you can see, these two that I just pulled out of the box, retails. I got them from Adidas.com on the last drop last weekend. And of course, these are from PK once again. That's facing backwards. So what I'll do is to eliminate the confusion, I'll keep them pointed the same way. And what I'll do is I'll use this retail pair that has the retail tag and label on it with the RFID label on it. I'll use this and I'll keep it out, so we'll make it a little bit easier. So as you can see right off the bat, under these halogen light bulbs, the color, the kind of creamy texture on the outside, they are identical, which is definitely a good start. Let's look at the heel real quick. And I am sorry this camera is not focusing properly. Hopefully I could get this in for you correct. There we go. So color-wise they're good. So let's see. First thing that you're going to notice right off the bat, obviously you will see that little difference. I'm sure you do as well. The gap between the outer cover. Once again, this one on the left-hand side is retail. This is PK. So as you can see, which I don't know why this fucking camera is not focusing properly right now. Sorry about that. There we go. So the gap's a little bit different. So one thing to notice. On the top side of the shoe, looks like the black is the same identical colors as you can see. Laces are good. I did not even realize there was a boost ball in here from Kim. Thank you, Kim. Shows you how much I pay attention when I saw the shoe last time. So I'm going to keep the boost ball from Kim in here. So, good surprise. Any rate, let's see. The color of the black insole is the same. The outside lining looks the same. That looks good. So let's move on to the toe side. You can see colors, everything. They look good to me. This right here is supposed to be like a shiny metallic material. Yep, looks good. The front toe cap, same color, same material. Now the toe cap is a very, very rough material. And I guess abrasive is another way to say it as well. You do have these little fine vertical lines in it that the shitty ass camera once again is not picking up. Hold on a second. Oops. Okay, so on this retail pair, zooming in super close, you can see those vertical lines on the toe caps. On the PK version, you notice it's there as well. So they are both present on both shoes. So I got a good check mark off right there also. Let's focus some more. Sorry about the shitty camera work today, guys. All right, side of the shoe. This is going to be on the outside of the shoe. The prime knit and everything looks perfect. Feels the same, looks good. Same metallic-y material on this little side right here. Stripes look good. Once again, so that's all good. Medial side, same thing. Identical on the medial side as well. Let's look at the bottom. So the most important and new part, of course, they don't use boost for this material. They use this new cushioning material that is this blue color. And as you can see in this light, they are identical in color. So that's good. Also the light blue for the outsole, identical and looking good. So, like I said, the only thing that's different is once that I guess we could call out and say is this back heel part. I don't know if anyone's posted this or showed this before, but well, you guys saw it here, guys. So Kim, I know you're going to be watching this video. If you could squeeze this back part in a little bit tighter, so this way they're almost touching. Looks like that's going to be the only flaw on these on this. I think it's like their second or third version already, but in regardless, great job. Outside of the shoe, you know, coloration, material, everything else is absolutely perfect. So props to you, Kim. Perfect kicks, great job. I will be back with another video. And let's take out this boost ball. Once again, this is from Kim right now. She's giving these away, well, with the purchase of a couple $100 or more, I think is what I was reading up on. But cool. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching again. Once again, I apologize for that sloppy camera work. I don't know what the hell's wrong with my phone right now. But once again, this is me, Beamers and Kicks. I will respond to you on Instagram on a direct message. If it's a legitimate question, as always, happy holidays, happy New Year's, and I will catch you guys next time on the next drop. Peace.